Whoa! No! John! John, I can't get out! I can't get out!
Like if Perk calls me a beaner, like, who am I to say no to him?
Right.
Or fruits and veggies.
Wait, what happened to my think tank?
Oh, I broke it. It doesn't do anything.
What the heck?
I think it's for the water, and it was in the way.
Why
I'm
would you
sorry.
do that?
It was in the way.
Sir,
I just
oh, what? You feeling evil presence? Whoa, what the
Oh,
fuck?
it's the Eye of
Turn it off!
Cthulhu!
Turn it off!
It's the Eye of Cthulhu!
Holy shit, Ed. 5,000
I got one
out.
shot! Let's go, Lord.
Stay away from me.
Let's go. Let's go.
Stay away from me. You make me fucking nervous. Shit.
What is happening?
Go! Run! Run the other direction! Run the other direction! Run the other direction!
Are we sure there's no other direction to go?
It's just chasing Lawan,
coming
chasing
back.
Lawan. It's coming back! Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here!
The one died. The one died.
Come here, come here, come here, come here! Close the door! Close the door! Alright.
Oh my god.
Oh!
Oh my gosh!
Bitch! Ew!
Where'd it go? Shine the light up! I can't see shit! I can't see shit!
Guys? Oh.
That's it!
Okay, guys, I love you. I love you.
He's just watching.
Dude, he's throwing. Why didn't he teleport anybody?
It's the first time we had it. He definitely
He's
forgot.
throwing.
He really is throwing.
John, gotta tell me who's still alive so I can start teleporting you guys.
Everybody vote. Everybody vote. Everybody
John, come
vote.
in.
Oh no!
Come back. We have to keep.
My headphones.
No!
Oh no! Oh god! Oh god!
What?
No way, he died.
He's camping me.
I'm gonna get us out of here.
No, I got. Let me get one more shot.
Okay.
Push a dog. Never mind. The shot was. You know what? Nah.
He's loaded, loaded.
Okay, he's reloading.
I'm trapped in this room.
Where's the exit? Where's the exit?
I'm kiting him. I'm kiting him! I'm dead!
Wait, how did I?
Oh no!
I would.
Oh no!
We don't need to worry about the bodies because. Oh no! Lightning!
Get through the door! Get through the door!
No!
Last second.
Shh.
We lost.
Oh, did someone die?
We lost Lawan back in. No! No!
I'm as scared it just like wipes us all. Okay, you're just there. Alright.
Oh, he just.
Oh! He tried to kill me!
Oh, no way!
What?
No
Wait,
way!
No! One. Yes, he trolled. Oh, it's like.
Oh! What the fuck?
Oh!
I'm coming back up for the aerial support.
Oh, that was sick!
Peek me, bitch. Hold on. Wait, don't peek me. I'm coming up.
No!
No!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, I'm gonna come. 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 Oh, I'm gonna come.
Okay,
Do you
the
remember
other
where
corner.
after this? Okay, this way! This way! Here it is. Are we landing same?
Yeah, I do. Can we? What do you buy?
I bought this loud horn.
Nice.
Y'all can't just motherfuckers like be a shit in peace, huh? What the hell is this?
What the fuck is?
Bro.
It was 100
What is
credits.
What is this?
Bro actually just spent all our money on a Bro, what?
He broke the game.
The little one crashed.
No way the one crashed.
What the fuck?
My
Why
game,
is
bro.
it so loud?
Oh my god, I'm back.
Bro,
What's scary? All those Splatoons get food. Oh.
Oh, there's a thing here, right here. Ow, that shit fucking pounced me. Oh my fucking god. Ow, I'm dead. There's a landmine spider.
There's a fucking landmine spider.
Okay, Google. Turn on Bluetooth pairing. Oh wait. I don't know how to.